Okay, hello guys. Ito na naman tayo. So, ang ating pagtatalakayan ngayon ay ang problem solution text types. So, madali lang naman ang problem solution text type. Hanapin mo lang yung problem, then solution to that problem. Okay, let me share my screen. Share my screen. Okay. Okay. Okay, so ang lesson natin ngayon ay about problem and solution text type. So, kayo ay naatasan, nasaan na yun? Naatasan na magsulat ng paragraph na nagpapakita ng cause and effect, comparison and contrast, and problem and solution relationship. So, ang pag-uusapan lang naman natin ngayon ay paggawa ng paragraph na nagpapakita ng problem and solution relationships. So these are objectives. Identify the problem and solution in the story viewed or read. Create sentences with problem-solution relationship. And share own experiences in providing solution to a problem. So you are tasked to read this short video about King Midas and his golden touch. So I can play this video kasi baka makapirate po tayo. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay. So, dito na tayo sa comprehension check. For example, pagpalagay ko na lang na nabasa nyo na or napanood nyo na yung story na to. Why did King Midas wish that everything he held turned to gold? Bakit? Kasi sa pagkakaalam ko, mayaman siya. Diba? King Midas. Powerful siya. Kilalang tao. At masyado siyang mahilig sa gold at gusto niya, ang nakikita niya ay puro ginto. Matakaw siya sa gold. Anong term dito? Greedy. So why do you think King Midas loved gold so much? Yun nga. Mayaman kasi siya. What did King Midas realize after his daughter also turned into gold? So bakit nangyari ito? Kasi hiniling niya kay God Dionysus na everyone he touched, or anything that he touched, will turn into gold. Yun nga, lahat ng nahawakan niya naging ginto. Hanggang sa ang daughter niya nahawakan niya, naging ginto. So na-realize niya na importante yung mga taong nakapaligid sa kanya, lalong-lalo na yung kanyang anak. So what do you think are the advantages of people who have so much money or riches? Siyempre, everything you can buy it. You can buy anything you want. You can be happy with this bunches of gold or money. Diba? Yun yung advantage niya. Powerful ka. Kaya mong bilhin lahat. What do you think are the disadvantages of people who have so much money or riches? Siyempre, kapag marami kang pera, so mas ka sa mga masasamang loob, pwede kang patayin, di ba? Hindi ka basta-basta makalabas. Delikado ang buhay. Why is it important for a person to be generous? Siyempre, kinakailangan natin maging generous. Sige, Jesus nga, binigay niya yung sarili niyang buhay para maligtas tayo. Tsaka yun naman yung will ni God, di ba? Naging generous tayo. Kasi baka dumating yung punto kung saan tayo naman yung nangangailangan. At least may magbibigay sa atin. Okay. So, pag-uusapan natin ay problem solution text type. So, ang writer kasi pinapresent niya yung problem and then may mga solution siyang binibigay. Pinapresent din na solution. So, problem solution text type is an informational text which analyzes a problem and then present possible solution afterward. So, ganun siya. Sa first paragraph, pinapakita ng writer yung problem and also present the possible solution. Okay? Doon sa second paragraph or third paragraph. Writers identify the particular problem to be discussed. So, when writing a problem solution text, mag-iisip yung writer or tayo ng relevant na problem na kailangan na ng solution, yung issues, di ba? Environmental issues or any issues na kinakailangan ng agarang solution. Who the audience will be? Sino ba yung audience niya? Kinakailangan magbasa noon or para saan yung ginawa niyang text, informational text, and how interesting the problem is or the topic is. So, kinakailangan relevant, di ba? Katulad ng coronavirus or issue about pandemic, quarantine, yan, problem yan. At ano siya, sikat na problem, di ba? Alam ng lahat yan ng nakararami. At mas interesting yun na topic. Several solutions may be presented in order to address the problem. In the end, the writer chooses among the solutions presented is the best answer to the problem. Okay? Kung nakapili na kayo ng topic, so magbibigay din kayo ng best solution or solutions doon sa problem na yan. For example, so problem and solution in stories. For example, sa stories, for example, kung reader kayo, ito yung kinakailangan nyo i-identify. The problem, solution, and the result. First is who has a problem, what is the problem, and why it is a problem. Second, to identify the solution, what does the character with the problem do to solve his or her problem? And the solution or the result pala, what is the result of the character's attempt at solving his or her problem? So, problem solution text. So, paano ba magsulat ng problem solution text? Problem solution text presents information about a particular problem and discusses its possible solutions. Problem solution informational texts are also made of three basic parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. So, every composition is composed of three basic parts. We call that as introduction, body, and conclusion. First is introduction. So it is the first paragraph in the text. It contains the thesis statement, which gives the readers an idea of what the entire text is all about. In the introduction, the author introduces the problem and gives the readers an idea about the possible solution. So sa introduction, dapat interesting part yan. Yung introduction. So, magbibigay ka doon ng thesis statement about a problem. Okay? Yung nag-e-exist na problem. And, i-introduce mo din yung sa readers, di ba? At doon, magkakaroon ng idea yung mga readers ng posibleng solution doon sa sagot na, doon sa problema nila. Next is body. So in the body, the writer discusses the details about the problem and its possible solution or solutions. So the second paragraph usually talks about the problem, and the third paragraph presents the solution to the problem. So if the writer identifies more than one possible solution to the problem, he or she may discuss each solution in separate paragraphs. Okay, so pwede yun na kunyari na-present mo na yung problem do sa introduction mo. Do sa second paragraph mo, do sa body or yung body mo, yung first paragraph ng body mo, i-explain mo yung problem. Okay, elaborate mo yung problem. Ano ba yung problema na yan? Yung causes ng problem na yan. At epekto noong problem na yan kapag nag-exist yung problem na yan. And then the possible solution sa next paragraphs. Kung depende na sa'yo kung maraming solution yan. So, bukod ng paragraph para mas ma-emphasize o mas ma-elaborate or mas explain mo yung solution. Next is the conclusion. It is the final paragraph in the text. The author restates the main point of the text and confirms what he or she has stated in the introduction. Kung ano yung sinulat niya sa introduction, yun din yung sa conclusion. Okay? I-restate lang, this is the summary of all the information or ideas that the writer has written or had written. For example, ang problema ay coronavirus. Lalagay niyo doon sa pinaka-conclusion niya at yung best solution. Okay? So, a problem solution text can be easily distinguished from other informational texts because of its distinct form or structure, purpose, and language features. Ito yung signal words, phrases. Okay, so sa purpose, to describe the nature of problem and present possible ways to solve it. In describing the problem, the writer usually discusses the causes and effects of this problem. And yung structure, ito makikita nyo ito sa body of your composition. Okay? Yung problem, susuportahan mo ng mga supporting details. Solution, another paragraph, solution number 1, solution number 2, solution number 3, and its supporting details. For example, ang problem is coronavirus. Magbibigay ka ng supporting details about coronavirus. And then yung possible solution. Solution number 1, social distancing. Magbibigay ka ng solutions. Anong details ay magsusupport sa solution number 1. Solution number 2, vaccination. Mass vaccination. So yun, magbibigay ka ng supporting details about dun sa main idea mo o dun sa solution number 2 or number 1 mo. Or kung marami kang solutions. Next is language features. We can use signal words and phrases. For example, problem, issue, conflict, solution, answer, remedy, avoid, prevent, because, due to, since, so that, in order, first, next, lastly, may, possible, certainly, if, then, moreover, in addition, etc. So this is problem solution chart. So bago kayo magsulat ng inyong problem solution text type, kinakailangan nyo muna ilagay yung problem. Identify nyo yung problem and the solution. Give the possible solution bago kayo mag-construct ng inyong paragraph or problem solution text type. Any question po? Kung may question po kayo, just leave a comment. Okay, so let's have an activity. Identify the problem and the solution. Problem, heavy traffic. Anong solution dito? Mag-build ng panibagong kalsada. Or yung policy na one person, one car. Diba? So maraming solutions dito. I-comment nyo yung solution. Next is poverty. And yung problem. Ano yung mga possible solution dito? Employment. Pabahay. Ano pa? So may batas na nagproprotekta sa mga mahihirap. Di ba? O yung gobyerno natin, tinutulungan sila. Bigyan ng trabaho at magandang tirahan. Next is flood. So ito yung problema natin. Solutions. Pagtatanim ng halaman o pagtatanim ng mga puno. At pagtapon ng mga basura sa tamang lugar or tapunan. And then yung sewage system natin. Dapat meron tayong underground na sewage system. And this will be your task reading activity. Can you read Around the World in 80 Days by Jules Verne, page 241 to 243, and answer activity 3, Let's Travel, page 244. Okay, and also read article Earth Day, Doing Our Share to Save the Environment by Rob Ceballo, page 228, 230. and answer activity 4, writing paragraph showing problem and solution relationship, page 230. So this will be your asynchronous test. Thank you for listening. So ito yung pinaka graphic organizer nyo. Identify this problem, possible solution, and my choice of solution to the problem. Okay, these are my references. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.